Would you still pay $1,000 for one food photo? How about creating unlimited images for $80 with SideChef Studio AI? Here's how it works. Let's try making a Parmesan chicken recipe image. I first select my preferred plating style, choose a dark marble studio background, and select festive holiday for the styling. You'll now see the first set of images being generated. I can instantly create a few more just to have some more options. I can enlarge the images, save them to my favorites, or download them in high resolution. You can use the tool in various ways. In addition to generating final recipe photos, I can also create step-by-step instructional images to make cooking easier. Or you may want to create a themed recipe photo for a seasonal campaign, like this one with a festive Christmas styling. The SideChef Studio is optimized for professional usage by recipe teams. You can create project folders to easily collaborate with your team on multiple different recipes or campaigns. The tool's available in beta right now with free credits, but only for a limited time. Can this tool boost your recipe development and drastically reduce costs for recipe marketing? Try it out and see if you like it.